The key to insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Harvard, Eldridge. You swear this time will be different. You enter the trade full of confidence, only to watch your plan crumble again. Your stop loss gets hit, or worse, you move it. You over leverage, revenge trade, or chase a setup you knew wasn't ready. And then that sinking feeling hits. Why do I keep doing this to myself? You're not alone. Thousands of traders, especially in our community, face the same exhausting cycle. It's not a lack of intelligence. It's not that you're not cut out for this. The truth is, you've never been taught how to track your patterns, process your triggers, or learn from your past mistakes in a meaningful way. But here's a powerful solution that almost no one talks about: journaling. That's right, writing it down. Capturing your thoughts, emotions, trade setups, and outcomes in one sacred space. This one practice can transform confusion into clarity, fear into discipline, and repeated losses into powerful lessons. So comment, like, and subscribe, because in today's video, we're diving deep into how journaling can be the breakthrough tool that finally gets you off the emotional roller coaster and onto the path to consistent, confident, and psychologically grounded trading. Let's unlock your next level. Journaling identifies patterns in your trading behavior. Keeping a journal helps you spot recurring habits, both helpful and harmful, that you may not even realize you have. Whether it's entering too early, hesitating on exits, or skipping your stop loss, your journal holds up a mirror to your tendencies. In life, you can't fix what you won't face. Many of us grow up in environments where patterns of lack and survival mode are normalized. But when you see your habits written out, you shift from being a victim of reaction to a person of intentionality. You're no longer trading blind. You're trading with awareness. And that awareness is the birthplace of transformation. Just like therapy helps us understand our internal cycles, journaling helps us understand our trading cycles. Every time you choose discipline over impulse, you rewrite the script that says you're not capable of consistency. In the context of reparations, breaking generational patterns of financial chaos and reaction is revolutionary. When one trader gets disciplined, one family begins to shift. You're not just trading for profits, you're healing through structure. Journaling increases emotional intelligence and discipline. Trading journals aren't just about what you did, they're about how you felt. Recording emotions tied to your trades sharpens your emotional intelligence and strengthens your ability to detach from fear, greed, and FOMO. This isn't just a trading skill, it's a life skill. Emotional regulation is the difference between burning bridges and building empires, between chasing temporary highs and investing in long-term results. Every time you pause to write, reflect, and breathe, you're retraining your nervous system to respond instead of overreact. Our community has been told that we're too emotional, too reactive, or too unstable for leadership. Journaling gives us the proof we need to prove that we are, in fact, strategic, introspective, and capable of great discipline. Every emotionally intelligent trader disrupts that lie. And in doing so, we build the psychological infrastructure necessary for wealth. Reparations won't just come through money. It comes through the healing of our nervous system and the mastery of our emotions. That's the true payout. Journaling improves risk management. By documenting risk outcomes, journaling helps you notice where your setups don't match your risk tolerance. You begin to learn what works and what doesn't, reducing impulse trades and avoiding unnecessary losses. In personal development, this mirrors learning to set boundaries. You stop saying yes to what drains you and start protecting your energy. Just like you protect your peace, you've learned to protect your capital. This is radical self-respect. Most of us never saw risk management modeled in our families or schools. Journaling teaches us to say, not every opportunity is my opportunity. That's maturity. That's wisdom. That's strategy. And it's how we grow into stewards of wealth. As we model responsible investing and disciplined risk-taking, we teach our children to value not just having money, but keeping it and growing it. That's the future of reparations. Journaling strengthens confidence through reflection. Sometimes the best way to remind yourself of your power is to reread your own wins. A trading journal gives you evidence of your growth. Proof that you're evolving, learning, and making better decisions every week. Think about how often we forget our own progress. Without documentation, we default to self-doubt. But when you journal, you can revisit the moment you trusted your analysis and won, or held firm despite fear and grew. You become your own testimony. Confidence doesn't come from perfect outcomes. It comes from consistency and reflection. As you document your growth, you develop a quiet inner strength that says, I've been here before. I know what I'm doing. That level of trust is revolutionary for Black traders. In a world that questions our value, our intelligence, and our power, journaling becomes a sacred act of remembrance. Remember who you are, and remember what you were built to win. Journaling tracks strategy performance over time. You don't know how well your strategy works until you track it. Journaling allows you to see which indicators, setups, and conditions align with your success and which consistently lead to losses. It's the same principle as tracking habits in your personal life. If you're working out but not mastering progress, how do you know if the plan works? In both cases, your journal gives you data, not just feelings, so your growth is transformed. Data-driven trading is what separates emotional gamblers from intelligent investors. It's not about throwing strategies at the wall and hoping one sticks. It's about being scientific with your success. Journaling makes you the scientist of your own breakthrough. And when you master what works, you're no longer chasing reparations, you're building them. Consistent strategy backed by data gives our community leverage. The same system that once exploited us now becomes the system we master. Journaling provides clarity during losing streaks. When you're losing, everything feels foggy. You doubt your skills, your plan, and even your identity as a trader. But a journal helps you go back, analyze, and reset. It reminds you you've had setbacks before and come back stronger. In life, setbacks don't define you. It's your response that does. Think of all the times you've fallen and gotten back up in your personal life. That resilience is your superpower. The journal becomes your lifeline when your confidence is shaken. Clarity is hard to come by when emotions are high. But when your journal lays out your setups, emotions, and context, you can step outside of panic and into perspective. You begin to trade less emotionally and more mindfully. And that mindset shift is key to economic repair. The stock market is one of the few places where emotional healing and financial gain intersect. Journaling connects the two. In the midst of the storm, it becomes your compass. Finally, journaling accelerates mastery and accountability. Success loves accountability. The trader who journals regularly holds themselves to a higher standard. They don't just hope for better trades, they train for them. And over time, journaling becomes the fast track to mastery. Mastery is not talent, it's repetition and awareness. Every great athlete, entrepreneur, or investor has a way of measuring and adjusting. Your trading journal is that tool. It says, I take this seriously. I believe in my ability to improve. Accountability is love in action. When you journal, you're saying to yourself, I love my future enough to keep a record of today. You stop letting wins and losses blur together, and instead you gain clarity, control, and confidence. That's how you take the journey from scattered trades to strategic wealth building. That's how you move from dreaming of reparations to living them. Master your habits, master your mind, and watch your life multiply. There comes a moment in every trader's journey where you realize it's not just about the money. It's about who you're becoming in the process. When you document your trades, your emotions, and your mindset, you're no longer at the mercy of the market. You are the master of your growth. You shift from chasing wins to cultivating wisdom. That's the power of journaling. It doesn't just improve your trades, it transforms your self-awareness. And when that transformation happens, everything changes. Your losses become lessons. Your doubt becomes data. You stop internalizing failure and start identifying opportunity. Suddenly, the market isn't just a place to make money. It becomes a classroom, a mirror, and a launching pad. And every entry in your journal becomes another brick laid in the foundation of your progress. You deserve to trade with clarity. You deserve to know what works for you and why. You deserve the kind of support that helps you rise every single day, even when the market gets noisy. That's why we've created a free downloadable trading journal and a daily list of key levels, because no revolutionary movement can happen without structure, and your freedom deserves a blueprint. So if you're ready to take your trading and your healing to the next level, join our community today. Download your free trading journal and daily key levels using the link in the description. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, not just for more content, but to stay connected with a movement that's building generational wealth one smart trade at a time. We were never meant to do this alone, and now you don't have to. You've got this. Peace and blessings, Dr. O.